Hey yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can recover a deleted Snapchat memories, message, stories and pictures. So if you mistakenly deleted something off your Snapchat, like your Snapchat memories or your messages or stories and picture in Snapchat, well, through this way you can recover it. So follow these steps if you want to do it. So yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So yeah, let's start the video without any further ado. And yeah, before I start the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once a new video releases as well. And let's start it. The first thing, you open your Snapchat, log into your Snapchat. Once you do that, you can click on this profile icon over here. Once you click on this profile icon, you can click on this gear icon over here, and yeah, scroll down at the bottom until you see my data. It's on privacy sector. Click on my data. After you click on my data, this page is gonna open up. Just wait for some time. After you come over here, it's gonna ask you to log into your Snapchat to verify if it is you or not that's asking for your data, because Snapchat is not just gonna give your data to whoever it wants. Okay, so yeah, enter your email ID and your password and log into your account. So let me do that. After doing that, it's going to take you to this page. Now once you're in this page, you can scroll down at the last until you see submit request. Now remember, before you click on submit request, make sure you link your email ID to your Snapchat, because like it's going to send an email request to you of a zip file, and you click on the zip file and download it and only view it. So yeah, first make sure you have verified your email with your Snapchat. You can click on submit request. After that it shows me we received your request, and after sometimes 30 minutes or 1 hour, it's going to send me an email with like a link in it. And once I click on the link, it's gonna take me to the place where they have put on the zip file. I download the zip file and I unzip the zip file, and all my data over there, like my memory, message and stories, is gonna be inside it. So that's basically how you recover deleted Snapchat memories, message, stories and picture. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And you can ask me any question in the comment. I'll answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.